Hi everyone. Today I just want to give you a real-time example of NumPy using of linear equations. Right now in my Jupyter notebook, directly you can see the question what I have picked from the Google. So here is my question. Suppose a rental shop sells five mobile phones and two tablets in a day for a cost of $5,000. Next day, the shop sells eight mobile phones and four tablets for $9,000. Assume that price of mobile phones and tablets did not change. What would be the price of each mobile phone and tablet? So we have to find out both things like X and Y. Those are like mobile phones and even the tablets. So here is my question. So please try to analyze the question whatever you have received, and we are right now using a linear equation which I have given in the below, like 5a plus 2b equal to 5000, 8a plus 4b equal to 9000. Where did I get these values? You can directly look into the question. So five mobiles are here and the two tablets are here. So 5a and 2b. A and B, which I assumed, you can directly assume X and Y. It's up to your choice. I have assumed as A and B. So 5A plus 2B equal to 5000. So this is the cost of first day mobile phones and tablets. So second day 8 mobiles and 4 tablets. So 8A plus 4B equal to 9000. Assume the mobile phones and tablets did not change. So if there is no proper change in the mobile phones and tablets, so right now I have these values which I have took from the question itself. There is no other change I have done, no big changes. So here it is. So now I just used a two-dimensional array with rows and columns. So 5 comma 2, 8 comma 4, these are the rows and columns. Now I have only one row, one column. This is one dimensional array, that is 5000 and 9000. You can directly see in the question 5000 is constant and 9000 is constant. So I have took these things from the question itself, and this is single dimension, this is multiple dimension, as two dimension and one dimension. As you know, there are two dimension, three dimension, and four dimensions up to the questions what we have uh, received from the Google. I have just checked out and I googled this question and I got this, and I'm right now working with it. So a comma b, this is also single dimension. So a comma b, I have to on myself, like you can directly use x and y, it's up to you, but better to use a comma b because we already have a x value in our formula, so better to use a comma b. So right now I have used to determine the value of phone and tablet. I just used one formula, that is matrix theory formula, as I already know, capital X equal to A inverse dot B. So here the dot is not for multiplication, it is a dot product. Hope you know what exactly the dot product is, like multiplying the row into column. So same way dot product. So now I am trying to use import numpy as np. Of course, most of you guys already know that import in numpy as np and import pandas as a pd. So I don't need pandas right now. I'm just trying to show only numpy. So here is numpy, and the a value which I have declared myself as a value, a equal to np dot array. We took this whole matrices into array, so that is called array. And now I have took a tuple and I have mentioned these two-dimensional values like 2 comma 5 comma 2 and 8 comma 4, because the reason why I'm saying it's two dimension, because I have given here two things, two brackets. So this is called two dimension, and here I have given only one bracket, this is called one dimension. Now coming back to the second value, like b is equal to np dot array, and where we find one tuple, and which consists of 5000 and 9000. These are the constant values. And right now there is no need of printing it, but for my understanding, I have done this thing, printing the a value and b value. It's up to you. It's you can, and you don't, if you don't want, you can just leave it out. And now coming back, inverse of A. I have given inverse to find out A inverse. I just tried inverse of A. So it might be very familiar. So that is the reason I gave A inverse. So A inverse NP, NumPy I am trying to use as NP dot linear algorithms. So this is the functionality how to find out the linear algorithm of A value. The A value is here, and right now I have used A value here, inverse of A. So it will try to check out the inverse of using by this linear or linear algorithm functionality, and x is equal to np dot inverse of a comma b. So here the reason of using this dot is something like columns and rows, multiplication of columns and rows. So simple way we have done this formula, and I have completed this formula in a one single shot, like a linear algorithm and dot product. I have used both of the functionality, and now I have print this value, and I just gave print of x. So x, all the value is going to store in x, and I have print the x. So now the value is 500 comma 1250. So here is my value exact for the second day, where we have to find the cost of the phone and tablet. I have found it. So so you guys, you can use the same formula for the similar questions and just find out the values, and it's up to you. You can use any kind of a comma b, or any dimension of arrays. So here is the linear algorithm using of NumPy module, and I just used for a small question. It is a real-time one. You can directly import any kind of thing. It's up to you. You can work on any kind of questions of linear algorithm. And my formula is very simple. I have used Ax equal to A inverse dot product of B. So guys, please remember, this is not multiplication. I used dot product. So you even try to use only dot product when it is called dot product. Don't go for the multiplication. So it is dot product. Directly use it, and you will definitely find this solution. And in above coming videos, I will definitely try to use pandas, and I will definitely try to create a good video. We'll definitely have a more number of concepts of Python. We'll look into it. Have a great day.